Welcome back, class. We're going to be working on that analogous color scheme which I mentioned yesterday. We're going to work on blue, blue-green, and yellow-green, and we're going to put them together in a little scale like this. And on your color wheel, you can see the locations of those colors: yellow-green, blue-green, and blue. So if you don't have carbon paper, again, it's no problem. You can always just measure something out with your ruler. You know, maybe about 5 inches this way. And then just do your bottom. And then your sides are about 1.5 inches in length. And then, of course, just make your dividing things. Those are about 1.5 inches apart. You can just something like that. And I'm going to start with a light blue. And I cheated a little bit by adding some color before I started this to try to make these videos go a little bit faster so I don't run out in the middle. But you want to start out with, you know, a light application and then heavier application. Great. So I've got my blue. And now to get blue-green, I will mix some blue, some green on top of that, and I'm just trying to match it to that blue I have up here, that blue-green, excuse me. So I'm adding a little more light blue just to lighten the value up slightly without it being too dramatic. Then I'll go back and compare. It's pretty close. No, maybe close enough. Okay, so for the yellow-green, start out with some yellow. And then just a little bit of the green, not much. You want there to be more yellow than green. Again, you can compare it to what you have on your color wheel. Something like that. I'll just bring this a little bit closer so you can see it. So there you have it. You've got your blue, blue-green, and yellow-green. So for the next video, we'll be talking about split complementary colors. In this case, we'll talk about blue, orange, and green.